Hi guys, so this is the third day of Bless Diri talking to your camera challenge. The thing started since day before yesterday, so this is the third day now. So like I said, like as I've been saying, please when you come to my page, do something. You know what I mean when I said you should do something. Support me. I need your support. I need all your support. It's not just coming to my DM to start chatting me. That's why sometimes I don't respond to chats. You see that I even respond in the comment section more. Except maybe I just pick interest in the person, then I will respond. That is why. So if you come to my DM, you see that your messages are unread, it's because I don't normally go to my DM like that. So please support me, okay?